going to tell you about the health effects of long-term chewing areca nut. Areca nut is mainly used as food, medicine, social and religious purposes largely in Asian countries in the world. Can you imagine, it is the fourth most commonly used social drug, ranking after nicotine, ethanol, and caffeine. Areca nut may be consumed in association with other ingredients, mainly tobacco, lime, caoutchouc, and all are wrapped in a betel leaf. However, areca preparations and specific ingredients differ by the cultural group and individual user. A growing body of research evidence over the past few years, mainly in the form of large-scale epidemiological and experimental studies, has shown that consumed areca nut with tobacco or lime may have potentially harmful effects on your oral cavity and your health. Here are some examples. Number 1. There is historical evidence dating back nearly a century that suggests the areca nut may be involved in the development of cancers. It is widely accepted that the presence of tobacco in betel quid plays an important role in the development of oral cancers, but the mechanisms by which this occurs are not fully understood. Nevertheless, laboratory-level and animal studies have confirmed that areca nut alkaloids such as Areca and its hydrolyzed product Arecadine have the ability to induce oral cancers. Thus, more research is required to identify the role of Areca in oral cancer development. Additionally, it is important to mention that chewing areca for up to 20 minutes releases significant amounts of soluble copper to your saliva. This has led to increased tissue copper, which may increase the activity of the copper-dependent enzyme oxidase. This enzyme activity has been linked in the pathogenesis of several fibrotic disorders, including oral fibrosis. Moreover, it is important to highlight that areca nut in the absence of tobacco may be an independent risk factor for the development of cheek cancers and tongue cancers, even though the carcinogenic potential of areca in the absence of other ingredients is less clear. Now we will listen to the number 2. The habitual chewing of areca may not only result in severe wear of tooth surfaces but also the enamel covering. This is number 3. Lesions on the tongue are associated strongly with the habit of betel quid chewing, particularly in elderly people who have been chronic chewers for long durations. This may lead to taste disturbance and flattening of the palate. What is number 4? As we all know, chronic chewing of areca may result in staining of teeth due to areca and betel deposits. Remember, brownish-red discoloration of teeth is a good indicator of your poor oral hygiene. Number 5. Last one. Splitting. Well, splitting of areca nut and betel chew is the most unhygienic practice among people who have been chronic chewers for long durations. Unfortunately, this habit is becoming prominent not only among elders but also among younger individuals. This is the key problem in the food industry because they need to hire employees who do not chew areca nut in order to concern about food hygiene. In such cases, it is very difficult to restrict usage, and it becomes mandatory to curb the habit as habits die hard. Now, you may wonder whether areca nut having any good health effects. Yes, indeed. Some research findings suggested that the betel stain, which often coats the surface of the teeth, may act as a protective varnish. Thus, some epidemiological studies carried out in Southeast Asia suggest that the prevalence of dental caries in areca chewers is lower than in non-chewers. Moreover, the tannin content of areca may have antimicrobial properties that may confer protection against microbial invasion of the tooth. Furthermore, the process of chewing areca stimulates profuse amounts of saliva secretion to the mouth. In the presence of added lime might enhance the pH in the oral surrounding, and this may act as a buffer against acid formed in plaque on teeth. Buffering the acid content may also associate with lower dental caries development. Well, we will update you in the future if we find new research information regarding areca nut. Thank you for watching this video. Share this knowledge with your family and friends because the prevention of diseases is better than cure. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Also, do not forget to like us, subscribe us and follow us for more videos.